Alright, so today we are going to check on how we can edit our page with Elementor, then how we can connect our Elementor. So this is our dashboard of our website. So I just go to pages. So this one we are going to do it one by one. So make sure you follow it. So when I go to About Us, I just click on About Us. Then I just click Document. Then I will just go to the page attribute. The page attribute, you see there's a template here. To say default template. Now we are changing from default template to Elementor forward. So I go to Elementor forward, then I just go to update. So you see the page updated. Now I can just go with edit with Elementor here. That is where it is going to ask me to add a template. So there is a template that we are going to work on. So this session is about us. So let's finish about us so that we go back again. So it will load. When the Elementor section load, then adding the template, you have to create an account with Elementor. So you enter the email that you're using to create your website. Then you also, so now I already have this thing. So let me just delete it. So you can use this one to delete everything here. Everything that you don't want. So this is the option. When you open, this is the option that you are going to see. Now you just click here, the folder icon, that is add template. So you click here, add type, add a template. Then it's going to ask you which template that do you want. So this one we are going to search for About Us. So for the About Us page, we are using About Us. Now when you are inserting the template, it will ask you to connect an account. So you create an account, then you connect it. It's very simple on that. For me, I've already logged in that. So I will just search About Us. About here, this side. So I type About. So all the pro means that you have to buy. So we are going for the free one. So the About, I'm going to choose this one, About. Then I'll just click on the green test. See, that's insert. Then I click on insert. So it will just load. Then bring it here. So now I have About Us on the page. So I just click here to go to update. So when I'm done with the update, meaning it's working, so I can just come and click here and go to exit to dashboard. So now I'm done with. So now I've been able to update my page with Elementor, edit the page with Elementor. So as soon as I go to my About Us, I'm supposed to see what I have worked on here. So it's loading. Now I have my About Us, everything here. We are going to edit everything. So now when we are done, we just click on this. This W will just send you to all the pages. So I just click here and it send me to all the pages. So now you see that now About Us is connected with Elementor. All this, the About Us, home, contact us, volunteer, and what you do should all be having the same look like Elementor. So meaning that the news is already there, so we will not connect the news, and privacy policy will not connect, but all the other page we are doing it the same. So I click on contact. Then I just go my documents, I go to attribute template, and I change to Elementor forward. Just go to update, then I just go to edit with Elementor. So as soon as you have been able to create an account and connect your account to Elementor, that's the first step. Now you don't need to connect it again. So you can add the template that you want and stuff. So you see, like there is already a contact us. So let me delete everything. Then I show you the contact us that we are adding. So I just go to add a template. Then I search for contact. So contact. So see that some are pro. So you choose which contact us that you want, whether this or any other one that you want. So for me, I want to choose this one, contact as corporate page. So I just click here. But you can be adding template that you want. You want this one to come here, so you can be adding and be deleting. So once we are learning, we learn how to delete it as well. So now I have my contact us page. So I can just click on update. And when it is done, I just go to edit to dashboard. So now I can go back to my pages. I click here to go back to my pages. Now I have this contact as Elementor. Now we are going to the front page. That's the home. So home. So home, we just change the page to Elementor 4 with, we update it. Then we just go to edit with Elementor. So let's delete everything here because I have already done it. So on the previous training. So now I don't have anything here. So I just go to add the template. So on the page, we are using the landing page. That's the hotel landing page. So this is what we are going to use. The hotel landing page. So this is what we click. So when this one is done, we delete the logo here. So make sure you click here, then you delete. This is the delete section. So I delete this logo section. So I delete, then I have the picture here. So I just go to update. That's all. Then I can just come back to exit my dashboard. Go to So after that, I just go to my pages again. So now I'm going to volunteer. So the volunteer to, I update my template Elementor 4 with. So I just go to edit with Elementor. So now the volunteer is also like what we do is any other page that we describe that page. So we choose a template, very good template. So the volunteer, we can choose the app page. So I can just click on app page. So this is what I have on my volunteer page. So then I just go to update because we are going to um, put a little information there. Okay. So when I go, I just go to exit to dashboard. So now I can just go to my WordPress. And the last thing is what we do. So what we do is like about our services. What we do is about our services. So I just go to Elementor forward. I update. Then I just go to edit with Elementor. So we are going to search for a template here that we're going to use for our what we do. So let me see if I can type services and see if I can get something on services. Any free theme that okay. Okay, so I can use this on our services. That is consulting page on our services. So I will use consulting page on our services. So what you do will be like what the foundation does. So we have that one here. So then after everything, you just go to update. So the update is means that save. So the update will save the section.